show you how to make pork broth from scratch. It's super simple. So I got these pork neck bones I got from Chinatown. So I'm putting them in this pot right now. Just dump it in like so. And then I'm going to fill it with water. Filling it with cold water right now, just to cover it because I'm going to do a flash boil, and I'll show you what that looks like. So here it is. I'm going to initiate the flash boil. I have it on max, so we're just going to wait until it boils. So this is why we do a flash boil, because you want the blood and all the dirty stuff to come up. So basically you're just going to boil that for like a minute, and then you're going to dump it in the sink and then refill it again with cold water. Okay, so I dumped it out, and I'm just going to give it kind of pretty clean. I have a glove, like a clean glove here. Just going to like wash it, like all that gunk off, because I like my broth really clean. And I'm just going to put it in here. I'm going to do that to each one. So I just washed the pot, and then I'm putting these bones back in. Nice, clean water, ready to simmer them to make the broth. So now I'm going to re-boil it. It's on max heat, and I'm just going to wait for it to boil, and then I'm going to turn it down to low, and I'll show you later what that looks like. And then I'm just going to wait like an hour, and it'll be ready.